Hello and welcome to the Forex Hedging Strategy Masterclass for beginners. Master the basics of hedging, different hedging techniques, and how to implement them in your Forex trading. I am Ifeanyi Uche and I'm going to be your coach on this ride. A very quick one. Let's see this video as an introduction to the entire course. So I'm introducing the course here, explaining some things you need to know. First is, let me explain beginners. Beginners here can be categorized into two groups of people. The first group are those who are completely new to Forex. This is perhaps your very first time of wanting to go into Forex trading and you want to get it right. And getting it right with a strategy to learn, which is hedging. And the second category is the category of those who have been trading Forex. They have mastered a lot of techniques, a lot of strategies over the years. If you are like me, I traded Forex for over 10 years without knowing how to do hedging correctly. And if you are like me, you would enter a position without stop loss, and when it moved against you, that's when you remember that you need to open a counter position. And then oftentimes it leads to margin call. By the time you close out one without understanding why you're hedging. So that's the second category. So whichever category you belong to, this is the masterclass for beginners who want to learn hedging as a strategy. Whether you are new to Forex or you are new to hedging the right way. Welcome aboard. So with this course, you'll gain an understanding of the basics of hedging in Forex and be able to implement the different hedging strategies to manage your risk. Remember that risk management is an essential part of Forex trading, and Forex hedging is an effective tool for managing risk. Happy learning.